Hello everybody, super quick video. I had a subscriber that was having a problem. I gave a tip in one of my videos on how to use your camera with the whiteboard, and what was happening is if you click down below here on the insert menu, that individual was not getting the camera here. So you can see here when I go into this whiteboard here, you can see I don't have the camera option to do the insert. So if I go into picture, hey, where's the camera? There's the camera. So one of the things is make sure that you're in the right template here, either the insert menu here or the image menu. Make sure you have camera. And if you don't have camera here, it is possible that you need to go into your settings. So if you go into your privacy, and we'll scroll down here to privacy and security, what you need to do is enable the optional connected experiences. So if that's turned off, then you won't get camera, Bing images, and some of the things. So super quick tip. I just wanted to respond to that subscriber so that they could see how to do that. Again, what you'll do is you'll go into your privacy and security, make sure optional connected experience is on. Then when you come in, you should have the camera and should use your integrated web camera. I'm waving, hoping that my camera shows up. There it is. So then you'll see we have the optional experience there. You can see my webcam instead of my fancy DLSR. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thanks.